Good morning. I'm here today as a constitutional attorney, husband of a public school teacher, and father of 3 teens in support of SB 673. The U.S. Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed that parents have the fundamental right to direct the care and raising of their children, not the state. Families do not lose their constitutional rights at the schoolhouse gate. California Youth Act acknowledges parental rights by permitting but not requiring that CSE instruction be given in K through 6th grades. It provides families with the ability to opt out when CSE is taught in middle school and high school, and requires CSE must be age appropriate and medically accurate. SB 673 further ensures that parental rights are fully respected in several important ways. First, transparency. CSE transparency is currently a real problem. My organization has received many complaints from families facing significant barriers in assessing and reviewing sexual health curriculum under the California Youth Act. If a school district decides to teach sexuality health curriculum to younger children in K through 6th grade, SB 673 requires them to make the entire program available to parents on websites in languages immigrant families can understand. Informed consent requires that parents are actually informed. This bill remedies this deficiency. Second, accountability and choice. Coupled with transparency, an active opt-in is a much better safeguard of civil rights, including parental rights and the freedom of conscience. Applying a passive opt-out here would mean that very young children may be subjected to CSE materials against their parents' actual wishes. SB 673 makes California Healthy Youth Act more culturally and religiously sensitive and is better respects civil rights and the core liberal values of tolerance, diversity, and inclusivity. Informed consent requires that informed parents actually give consent. Significantly, the research cited by the ACLU and most of the opposition letters does not support the allegations that opt-out is preferred by parents, nor that very early sexuality education is in the best interest of children. The opposition research actually supports SB 673. The RAND study, as pointed out, strongly supports parental informed consent, here transparency, and opt-in, and the CDC and AAP articles support CSE starting in 5th grade at the earliest, not kindergarten or 1st grade. Without these additional safeguards of transparency, accountability, and choice, California school districts will be more vulnerable to financially crippling civil rights lawsuits from families whose children have been harmed by these early sexuality programs. Thank you.